Just got back from the range and I was using the PC carbine. And these are two CCI Blazer 115 grain. And on the right is what a normal bullet should look like. And on the left is one that was trying to chamber in the PC carbine and the PC-9 Ruger. And the bullet just pushed into the case like that, meaning the only thing that would have been propelling the bullet would have been that primer. So I think this might have been a squib if it would have chambered and I would have fired it, because it was going through a 16-inch barrel, or was going to.